Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing very well. If you want to transfer crypto from one Binance account to another, how do you do it? In today's video, I will show you the process in a very simple way so that you can easily transfer crypto from one Binance account to another. So I request you to watch the video till the end. If you are a new viewer to my channel, please make sure to subscribe so you can regularly get helpful videos about cryptocurrency.
This information comes directly from Binance. To receive a transfer in dollars from another person using a Binance account, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. First, you must log in directly to your own Binance account. Once you're logged in, you need to locate and get your specific receiving address, which is called the Pay ID address. This is a unique identifier for your account. After you have this address, just ask the sender to copy it precisely and then provide it to them. Once they have your Pay ID, they can easily initiate the transfer from their account to yours. Alright, the next and final step in this process is for you to complete the required payment. To send cryptocurrency to another Binance user, you'll first need to navigate to your funding wallet. Once you're logged into your account, find the wallet menu and select funding wallet from the list. This is the specific area used for sending funds directly to other users on the platform. Inside the funding wallet, you will see an overview of your assets. To begin the transfer process, locate and click on the prominent Send button. A new screen will then appear, presenting you with the different methods for sending your crypto. You will see distinct options to send via email or phone. This user-friendly feature simplifies transfers by letting you use simple contact information rather than a long complex wallet address. All you need to do is provide the email or phone number linked to the recipient's Binance account, and you can then move on to select the asset and amount for the transaction. From our current position within the application, you can see a list of different items to choose from. For this demonstration, I'm going to focus on this specific one, so I will go ahead and select it now. After making that choice, the system immediately prompts us for the next piece of information. A new input box has appeared on the screen, and this is where our next step takes place. In this box, it is necessary for you to enter the specific amount that is relevant to your task. This is a required action, and the process cannot continue until a numerical value has been provided. So please proceed by entering the correct amount.